Hey everyone, Moni Castaneda here, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about decluttering and how home organization depends on memory. You cannot effectively organize your home unless you understand your memory type. So if you are going to put things away, so the question that people ask, is like, where should I put this? And people whose memory type is, there's three memory types. One is by importance, the other one is by excitement, and the other one is by urgency. So a person that organizes things by importance, when they go into a room and they have something in their hands, they ask the question, where can I put this? And that question translates in their head as, where can I stuff this? Where does this fit? And so the question that you need to ask when you're organizing your home is not where should I put this, but where will I find this? If I put this away, where am I going to find it? And that is the question that is going to help you organize your home. And so you need to understand how your mind works and how you put away memories, how you classify things in your mind, and then the organization methods you choose for your home, for your papers, for your clothes, for your shoes, for food in the kitchen, for pantry items, for kitchen utensils, for every single thing in your home needs to match your memory type, how you organize things in your mind. And the program on decluttering that I'm offering, Time to Declutter, is designed to help each memory type organize things in the way that is best for them. And so if you're watching this live or if you watch it afterwards, just make a comment, any kind of comment that you want to make. You can say, I want to declutter, it's time to declutter. Just leave a comment. And that way I will be able to send you the links to these 5 mini webinars that I'm doing on the subject of decluttering and organizing your home. 2 of them have already been recorded, so I can send you the links to the replays for that. And I can also send you a link where you can register to attend the next 3 webinars that I'm going to be doing live the next 3 Thursdays at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And so again, it's not about where you put things, it's about where you find things. And where you're going to find things, you will only find things if you have things put away according to your memory type, the way that you already organize things in your head. So until you have understood how you organize things in your head, you are not going to be able to find the things that you put away. And that's one of the problems that people have when trying to declutter and organize their home. And I have heard this hundreds of times. You're like, well, if I organize my things, I can't find anything. The reason you can't find anything is because you are putting things away in ways that don't match the way your mind works. My next video is going to be about my 3rd principle of decluttering, which is that most organizers are ugly. And ugly home organizers will never help you have a tidy home. See you then.